Alright, so we got to the track, parked up, went through tech, passed that, got ready to roll. So first thing I needed to do was go to the burnout box and test out that new tie rod. Just make sure everything turns smooth, returned, and steer itself a little bit. And then after that, I'll get some laps in. First time after the fix, let's see how she does. Longer day, so we'll do 3 laps, then we'll go back, kick it for a minute, call it good. That was good 3 laps to warm up the old tires, get back in the old swing of things. Forgot to record the last one, but
touch it?
I don't think I touched it. I'll look real closely at it. One more and then we gotta run in. Don't want to waste them all.
I know.
Remember to clutch in and then just barely wind her out.
Whew.
I heard him coming. I was like, don't spin, get it going, get it going.
It's crazy hot. The car is so hot.
It's a whole different ball game when someone's right behind you. It's just so different. I've gotten. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. That was fucking sick.
Go. It broke!
What the fuck? Why every time?
Every time.
It's one of us.
Oh.
It's always one of us. Tried to throw like as much angle as I could in third there coming in. I was pushing it, but yeah, they're definitely getting warm. We'll take a little break and head back out there.
It's pretty smooth on the bank.
It is. Once you get it going, man, it's so fun. Like, I went from being, you know, the scariest thing, you know, on the track to me to now my favorite thing by far.
Yeah.
There's just something about 1, 2, 3, kick it, you know? Like,
yeah.
He's all over us.
He was right in front of you.
Yeah. But that is a perfect one to end on. Got the good drone.
You were getting right near.
Woo!
You were getting right near that edge.
Oh, that felt so good. That's the perfect one to.
At this point, my tires were about shot, and that was all I had for the day. So I decided to call it a day and take off after that run. Packed up our stuff and we headed out. It was a really good day considering the last day ended with, you know, bent tie rods. So a full day, no incidents, and drove pretty well. Got some good footage from the drone and stuff. I felt like it was a really good day. Successful day back at the track, and already looking forward to the next one. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take it easy, and I'll catch you in the next one.